Stu from Jimy Tools. This is our 72-inch advanced diesel mechanics kit. I'm going to be taking you through this beast drawer by drawer today. Box itself measures up at just under 2 meters. It's a 14 drawer configuration. Also has your cabinet there, which we don't class as a drawer, so it's 14 plus your side cap. It's made of 1.2 mil steel thickness, extremely high quality, and it's been made and set up to span your entire career. As you can see, these roller bearing slides are absolutely huge. They take an enormous amount of weight. I mean, just in this bottom drawer, you've probably seen me stand in this thing before. We must have 40 kilos there alone. You got this great little side cap. It's got its own locking mechanism, so it can be locked individually. A couple of shelves there, which are adjustable. Your steel handles. Up the top, you got this extremely thick rubber matting. Goes the entire length of the toolbox. You can see the thickness of it there. The handles themselves, just slightly angled for convenience. Now we're going to go drawer by drawer and show you exactly what we've put into this. We consulted some really good diesel technicians to basically come in and work out what a good range of tools that a diesel mechanic is going to be using on a daily or weekly basis, so that really you're not paying for anything that you're not going to use. We want no tools wasted. This is what we've come up with, advanced diesel mechanics toolkit. You've got a lot of 3/4 inch stuff in there as well, and we think you're gonna love it. It's priced extremely well. It's extremely affordable for what you're gonna be getting in this. And just remember, we do have full 24 months interest free, which I don't believe anybody else is actually offering at this stage. So this is our 143 piece top combination tray. It's an EVA foam tray, contains 143 pieces. You got your 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch and 3/8 drives. You've got extensions, you've got pliers, you've got locking pliers and a couple of adjustables, as well as this 38 piece bit set. 10 piece 1/2 inch drive deep impact set in Imperial. You've also got a 475 and a 1050 3/4 inch extensions, a great quality hacksaw. Here you got our 3/4 inch torque wrench, 1900 Newton meters in forward and reverse, twin hammer system. These are brutal. Down now to our second drawer, you got your foam EVA trays. This one contains our metric spanners. They go from 6 mil up to 32 mil, and also your metric ratcheting spanners, which go from 8 mil up to 21 mil. Now these ratcheting spanners, excellent quality ratcheting spanners, flip to reverse. Color coded, so you know the difference between the metric and the Imperial. Full lifetime warranty on these. You got a great set of crimpers and an excellent wire stripper. This is our indexable head pry bar. These things are absolute beasts. So basically you just push this little button in here and there's 14 different positions that'll lock into place with. It's also extendable. So you push this button, extends out, ratcheted so that you can lock it into different positions and get full force on this thing. You've also got this great Podger aligner bar with your splayed end, and you've also got your aligning end. Next drawer down, Imperial spanners and our Imperial ratcheting spanners. So Imperial spanners, again in that high density foam EVA, they go from 1/4 inch up to 1.25 inch. Excellent quality chrome vanadium, and your ratcheting spanners as well. So your ratcheting spanners, see these ones are now red. So red meaning Imperial. So this is our 1/2 inch torque wrench, is one of a couple of torque wrenches that we include into this. It's a great quality, very simple torque wrench to use. This, the 1/2 inch, goes up to 210 Newton meters. It's got very few moving parts. It's extremely reliable. We rarely ever have one of these come back to us. Okay, next drawer down, we've got our specialized spanner tray. It's got your flare nut spanners in metric and Imperial. It's got your long ringies in metric, and it's got your stubby ratchets, 72 tooth in metric as well. Over here we've got 2 sets of tap and die kits. One is metric, one is Imperial. Got an excellent little ratcheting system here, and that just clicks around to go in reverse. Up the back we've got our 3/4 inch torque wrench. I need 2 hands, I'll just grab that out. So again, this is pretty much the same as our 1/2 inch torque wrench, except obviously it's 3/4 inch, goes up to 500 Newton meters. We sell hundreds of these as standalone by themselves. Very, very simple and reliable product. So on to the first of our deeper drawers. You've got your go-through screwdriver set down the back here in EVA tray. Steel goes all the way through the handle there. You can get a bit of impact on them. We've got a couple of sets of excellent quality Scible drill bits, a set of step drills. Over here, what we've got is our 13-piece circlip ply set, both inner and outer. Really good quality set of circlip pliers there in that portable carry case so you can get them out to jobs. Down now to these two. 8-piece 3/4 inch drive deep impact socket set. So this is our Imperial deep impact socket set, chromoly bendum in that portable carry case. And we've also got 3/4 inch in-hex set, Imperial, goes from 3/4 inch all the way to 1.25 inch. Down to the biggest drawer, and we've got two pretty familiar items that you've all seen heaps of times before. This one here is our 27-piece metric and Imperial 3/4 inch socket set. It's fully portable. So it goes from 7/8 to 2 inch and 22 mil to 50 mil. In the first of our side drawers here, you got your shifters. Now you go from 250, 300 and 375, plus a couple of multi-grips there. In the second drawer here, you got your Imperial Jumbo hex key set. In the third drawer, you got your metrics in Jumbo. You've also got your Torx, and you've got your standard hex keys. Also mirrors and magnets. This drawer, you got your 12-piece lug nut set. You've also got a 25-piece screw and extractor and drill set, and a 54-piece bit set. So this one here, if you strip any nuts or bolts, really good little set of lug nut twist sets that'll get just about anything off. Then you got your screw and extractor and drill guide set, and finally onto your 54-piece bit set, which is S2 quality steel. They say it's actually stronger than impact, so plenty in there to get you through. You got your 24-ounce ball peen hammer, your 1500 ground club hammer, and also this great dead blow hammer. You got left, right and center tin snips, heavy duty set of 1000-volt VDE cable cutters, and your hook and pick set. And to top it off, you got your 8-piece 3/4 inch metric deep impact set. Goes from 27 mil to 41 mil. And we can't forget the magnetic tray. So that's our advanced diesel mechanics kit. All of the contents in this kit is available individually online. Jump on our website, you'll be able to find most of this stuff, no problems at all. Little magnifying glass in the top right hand corner of our website. Click on that, a red bar appears. Go in there, search for whatever you want. If you like what you see today, hit subscribe on our YouTube channel. We'd love to have you as a follower. Always looking for your feedback online as well. Be quick guys, the last ones we did of these sold out so quickly. It's crazy, we just can't keep up. Tell us what you think in the comments below. I'm gonna link the products in the comments below as well. So check them out down there. You buy them straight from our website and we ship them straight out to your door. Like I said, we do a full 24 months interest free as well. We're an Australian family owned business. We've been going longer than 27 years and we listen to you. Thanks for watching.